Hello everyone! Today, I've got another essential travel tip for you. How to download Google Maps offline for the country you're traveling to. So, let's dive right in. First, open Google Maps and find the area you want to download. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner to access the menu. Select Offline Maps from the options. Choose the area you want to download by adjusting the rectangle. Tap Download to begin downloading the map. Once downloaded, you'll have access to the map even without an internet connection. With offline maps, you can navigate even in areas with poor or no internet connectivity. Perfect for road trips or exploring remote destinations where internet access may be limited, so no need to worry about getting lost or stranded in unfamiliar territory. There you have it, a simple yet powerful travel hack to ensure you never get lost again. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, see you in the next video.